Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add the, what is this? PVC plate to the mount, which just kind of pops in these little grommets. Those little grommets there just pops in. So before I do that, I'm just going to take off the wrapper. Okay, let's see. Take off this wrapper. Okay. And I'm just going to put that in. So I'm going to get a better view here. I'm not sure if you can see that. One. Two. Three. Four. Let's take a look. So they just went to those little grommets. And it's held in place by the grommets. That's about it. It looks like it all fit in there really well. So that's what that looks like. Now put the main plate on, which is this sucker. And that just fits on as well. I have to blow that dust out, but you'll see these, oops, those little linkages there. They bolt onto there. So I'll have to do that without the camera on. I'm sorry, but that basically just kind of goes in there like that. So you can swing it up. So I'll have to do that off camera, but I'll show you the result. Okay, so I've bolted the Lone Rider plate into the frame, and with one finger they say you should just be able to push it up and down, which I can do very easily. And to lock it into place, you just lock it into those washers, which I think I'll do later, because what I want to do is I want to lubricate them a little bit so to make it easier to put in and pull out. And I think that's what I want to do for these ones as well, just so they don't get locked in there. Because I'm afraid if I pull to wash the vehicle and to wash the headlight, I want to pull this off, but I'm afraid those little bungee things will come out with them, so I want to lubricate that and make sure that they don't come out at the same time. All right, that's that. And the bar is on there nice and strong. Can't move it. It's Loctite in, so that's the install. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.